Hello everyone, here's your own Brezziana Arts from the House of Sparkling Decor, willing to share with you the techniques to reveal the artist in you and to make you an art queen. Well, painting can be an amazing hobby, friends. Do you know that? Brezziana Arts tends to teach you the basic techniques which you can use at your own easel, relaxing at home. As you can see right now, I have these two paintings. These are very peaceful and nature-friendly paintings, friends. And these are showing you the blissfulness of nature and is depicting its beauty. Keeping these paintings at home can bring a positive aura and create a beautiful ambience in the entire decor. Well friends, let's now talk about our culture. Every culture is vast in its own. They have their vast subjects in which there are many architecture, sculpture, philosophy, science, etc. The tradition of cave paintings has been there in prehistoric era and their continuation in mural paintings of Buddhist era which led to Jain architectural development. Brezziana Arts is here in your art journey. I personally feel that there is an artist in every one of us. We just need to get started, We just need to get started to view our inner artist. Simple brush strokes and combination of colors brings good luck to your life. Paintings can bring a positive aura to the entire decor and create a beautiful, peaceful ambience. The peaceful and positive paintings can bring good luck to your home. Paintings depicting nature can create a positive aura apart from adding to the beauty. Another important aspect of painting is taking good care of your belongings. As you can see everyone, right now I have these paints with me. Paints come in different colors and they can be your basics paint which is Liquitex paints, or they are available in every art store. Like this is the camel one that I have. It is a very beautiful color paint which you can use in your regular days. There are many other paints like Vincent Newton paints. These are professional paints, friends. See how I'm blending these. I'm just taking little of my yellow color and little of my orange color. I'm just mixing it like this, and just the tip and a very light stroke I'm using. I'm using number 9 brush. You can use any color brush you want. See how the blending is taking place. This is the blending with both the colors, that is yellow and orange. Now if I am going to take more of yellow, the yellow blend will show off more, as you can see here. And if you want to take more of orange, then the orange blend will show off more. But it's merely a blending technique, which is the main requisite of any canvas. Now one thing more I'm going to show you. You just have to squish your brush like this. Don't ever put your brush on the jar like this because it can spoil the bristles of the brush. So as soon as you complete your canvas, you need to squish it off like this in a very light stroke, and you need to clean it up like this. And you can check if there is any paint. You can wipe it with a tissue paper or a hand towel and you can check if there is any paint in it.